In this video, I will show you how to accept a call with your AirPods Pro. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to make sure is that you are connected to your AirPods. So you want to make sure your Bluetooth is on and make sure that you're connected to your AirPods Pro. So as you can see, we're now connected to the AirPods Pro. So to go ahead and actually accept a call with your AirPods Pro, what you want to make sure first is that you have both of the AirPods in your ear. There is a little sensor which detects whether the AirPods are in your ear. So you cannot accept a call unless they're in your ear. And you can do this with either the right or the left AirPods. Now, if you look on the side of the AirPods, you're going to see like a little kind of groove like here. And to go ahead and accept a call, all you need to do is simply press this when you've got a call incoming. So the two things to bear in mind is that these are in your ear when you've got a call incoming, because without having them in your ear, the sensor is not going to detect that they're in your ear and you're not going to be able to accept the call. And as I previously mentioned, this is available on both the right and left side. So you've got this on both sides. So you just want to choose which one to use. And once you have a call incoming, all you need to do is press this button to accept the call. So that's how to go ahead and accept a call with your AirPods Pro. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.